Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping services for security service industry. Here are some few topics that we're going to cover in this video. We'll start with the revenue recognition, then we'll go to expense tracking, then payroll, employee benefits, asset management, tax compliance, client contracts and invoicing, cash flow management, financial reporting, bank reconciliation, and lastly, insurance and the risk management. So guys, let's start with the first topic. We'll cover revenue recognition. In revenue recognition, you have to recognize and record all the streams of your revenue that you having from the services you've been providing. Like if you are providing security guard services or a watchman services or a CCTV camera services or all these things, monitoring services or anything like that. So you have to record all these things in revenue recognition. Now let's touch base the expense tracking. In expense tracking, you have to closely monitor and categorize your expenses related to your business. Like it can be the training of your security guards, that expenses, and any other operational cost expenses, and also the equipments that your security guards will be having. That expenses need to be properly calculated and recorded. And also make sure that all these expenses are recorded as per their categories, so it will help you for a better financial analysis. Now payroll and employee benefits. In this you need to track your employee working hours, their salaries or their wages, or if they are having any perks, or if they are working any overtime, then the overtime payment, and also if they are having any benefits from your firm. That all has to be recorded properly, and you need to monitor their working hours and their bonuses, how many bonuses you are giving on the festival seasons or on festivals. That all has to be recorded as per their categories, how you giving to them. Okay, and any additional payments that you are making to your employees. Now let's touch base the asset management. In asset management, you will need to maintain and organize a record of the security equipment's assets, like if they are having some guns or sticks, anything like that. You have to need to record all these things, and also you will need to track the depreciation of the assets over the time. Okay, and or you will need to update their values in your books according to the time period. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you will need to be updated and informed about the latest tax regulations or deduction over the specific of your over specific period of time in your security service industry. Client contracts and invoicing. In this, you will need to keep a detailed record of your client contracts and the agreements that you have done with them. Like if you are providing a security service or a watchman service to someone, then you will need to record how much time it will be the service will be given to them. Okay, this will be calculated in this thing, and you have to make sure that you do timely and accurate invoicing for the services that you are providing. And you need to take these accounts if there is any special terms or condition in the contract. Cash flow management. In cash flow management, you will need to monitor the cash flow regularly, like the inflows of the cash and the outflows of the cash. Okay, so it will help you to make sure that you have enough liquidity in your accounts to cover any overhead expenses if it's done. Financial reporting. Any business, if you are having any business, then financial reporting plays a very crucial role in that business. Like financial reporting can give you an insight into your financial health of your business. Okay, so in financial reporting, you will need to generate on regular basis. You need to generate financial reports on regular basis that will include your financial statements, such as your income statement, your balance sheets, your cash flow statement, and all these things. All these things will help you to analyze your financial reports to gain insight into your business health, that how your business been growing or how it's doing over the time. Now bank reconciliation. In bank reconciliation, you have to regularly reconcile your bank statement with the company's financial records. So it will let you know that if there is any error or not. Next is insurance and risk management. In this, you will need to maintain a record of related insurance policies and the policies that are claimed by your employees or someone. Okay, and consider any financial impact on your security incidents, and make sure that there is appropriate risk management measures in the place that you have been giving service. So Every industry has some indicators that shows the growth and the track success of that particular industry. So here we'll talk about some of the key performance indicator of the security service industry to measure its track success and its performance. The first one is response time indicator. This indicator will measure the time it takes for a security personnel to respond to the incident or to the alarm. Okay, if there is any fire incident in the society or something like that, so how much time it taken by the employer to respond on that. The second indicator is incident resolution time. This indicator will track the time it takes to resolve the security incident or the breaches. Third indicator is client satisfaction indicator. This indicator will gather the feedback from the clients through some surveys or through some review system to if your client is satisfied enough with your service, then it will take you to it will give you referrals, and it will refer your service to other people that will eventually result into your business growth. Guard tour tracking. This indicator monitors the completion of a scheduled guard tours to ensure that your security personnel are patrolling on the designated area as per their designated area. Fifth indicator is training and certification compliance. This indicator will make sure that security personnel are up to date with the required training and the certifications. They are well trained enough to provide that securities, and they are certified. Next is equipment maintenance and functionality. This indicator will track the maintenance and functionality of the security equipment, such as if you are providing some cameras on that on the place, and if you have any control system of that place and the alarm system of that place, that this indicator will measure this how much maintenance and functionality you have done to that. Next is employee turnover rate. This indicator will measure the rate at which your security personnel leave the organization. Okay, how much time they are retaining in your organization, and if there is a high turnover, maybe indicate your issues with your job satisfaction, or it can issue your training or management or anything like that. Okay. The next is client retention rate. This indicator will assess how well the company retains to client over the time. How many clients are been retaining and how many clients are been taking services from your company. That will be indicated by your client retention rate indicator. Next is compliance with regulatory standards. This indicator will make sure that the security service that you've been providing is well complied with the industry regulations and the industry standards. This could include your adherence to the legal requirements or any industry best practices. Cost per incident. This indicator will evaluate the costs that been associated with the responding time or and resolving the security incident. Okay, so this will be the last indicator of this video. And here at Meru, we have a team of experts that do accounting and bookkeeping for the security service industry. We have well-trained experts that use the latest softwares for accounting and bookkeeping. So that was all for the security service industry. Thank you and have a nice day.